Let's see if this thing boots. We'll remove the screen film. Wow, this is honestly the best one yet. This looks so real. So obviously the biggest difference is the fact that this still takes lightning port. Plug that in. There we go. We have an Apple logo, and removing the charger, the Apple logo is still on, meaning the battery is connected properly. That was my biggest concern since it is connected to the flash first. Let's see if this thing fully boots up.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Brother, ew. Take a look at this screen. So these bezels are actually the same size as normal 10R bezels. It just looks so strange because it's flat. But take a look at this $25 mod. This thing is so convincing. We made a fake iPhone 15 Pro with real iOS. Now, I do want to test a few things before we finish up here. We'll go ahead and turn on the flash, and you can see that works. And we also want to test the microphone because if you remember what I said earlier, we basically relocated the microphone so it's behind one of these cameras instead of in the actual microphone slot. So things might sound a little bit off. We'll head to our camera app. And how does the microphone sound, guys? Make sure you let me know in the comments. The camera seems to be working fine. Also, make sure you check out chair from FlexiSpot. This C7 chair is honestly the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.